Well, howdy neighbors. Welcome back to the channel here. So the painting's all done, so now we're on to doing some flooring. I'm going to try to hold this camera straight. So anyway, so I'm at the last row here before you get to the wall. Well, dang it, it didn't turn out to be a full strip, so I gotta strip this piece down to fit into that gap. So how do I measure that? Well, I don't measure it at all. Line this piece up, one row back from where it's going to live. Get yourself a little scribing block here. This is about full size. I've cut the factory edge off of this side, but other than that, that's a full width piece. I'm going to put that against the wall, like so. I'm going to take this pencil from our good friends at Slag Lumber, home of Guardian products. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to use that. Let's see if I can do that one-handed. Look at that, eh? Set that there. Scribe your line, and so on. Just keep going. Just follow along the wall. Don't just assume that the wall is straight, because if you had got the old house like I do, straight walls they didn't do it like that back then. Back in the day, being able to make a curved wall, that was a badge of honor. So I think you get the idea here. Anyway, hope this helps on your flooring job. If it does, then like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if it doesn't help, I'll do it anyway, because, I mean, it doesn't cost you anything. Okay, thanks. Bye.